What's up guys, Joel from Joel Fabrications here. Today we're going to be showing you how we make our teardrop exhaust. So the first thing you want to start with is going to be a 90. Ours are already polished on the inside and the outside, so that helps us save time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to tack a straight piece onto this end so that we can clamp it in the bandsaw and cut it nicely. Let's get to it. Now that we've got our 90 tacked to our straight piece, I've got this set up in the bandsaw so we can get a nice straight cut, leave a little bit of material so we can grind it down and make that teardrop look just right. So I'm gonna cut this and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Now that we've got our teardrop cut and off of the bandsaw, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this on the belt sander till we get a nice flat surface, and we're gonna work this down to get the nice point that we're looking for. Once you've got your piece all sanded and cut, this should be the final end result. A nice looking teardrop that's ready to get installed. Now what I'll do is I'll cut it off of this piece and I'll weld it on to wherever it's gonna go. And that'll make it easier for me.